Today guys, I show you how to update Fortnite on your PC, Chapter 7 Season 4 2026. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and support me guys in Fortnite item shop when you pour cash battle pass now. Just use UFO187 in Fortnite item shop. As you can see guys, servers not responding, new season is coming. To update fast Fortnite, just close this and open Epic Games, move in library, find Fortnite like me, and you will see updating. If you don't see this update, because I have automatic update on, just go here left, you will see download manager, open it, and go here download settings, and you will see automatics updates. Just check this and move back to Fortnite here in the library and you will see a new update is available. Just click on it and you will see you downloading new Fortnite season update. Just wait for this. And that's all guys for this video, how to update Fortnite Chapter 7 Season 4 fast and easy. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and use my sats in Fortnite item shop UFO187.